friends, welcome back. Today we'll learn how to create multiple POS. So I'm going to elaborate for you in a picture. By creating multiple POS, we can run multiple location businesses. Suppose your main POS is located in some place like Himachal Pradesh, and these three POS are located in different places, like your one POS in Rajasthan, one POS in Delhi, and one POS in Punjab. Like in Rajasthan, it is a cafe. Your business in Delhi is restaurant, and in Punjab, your shop is bake shop. So these three are interconnected with your main POS. First of all, we'll learn how we can create multiple stores. So I'm opening up my browser and again going on this bookmark. After that, I'm doing the same process, like entering my email ID, and after that I'm login. This time we are going to click on this admin area, and after that I'm going on this company operations. Here you can see add POS, so I'm clicking on this add POS, and after that add new. Like my main POS is Tiara POS, so I'm creating my one more POS like Tiara POS located in Rajasthan, and carry forward amount is 1000 rupees. Address is I'm just putting Rajasthan, and email ID is like Tiara Rajasthan at gmail.com, and you can add phone number. I'm just putting some example, and contact person ID, like I'm putting Mr. ABC, and after that I'm selecting my country, which is India, and the state is Rajasthan, and my POS is located in Jaipur. So you can fill these all fields, but I'm just making it fast, so I'm creating it. Here you can see one POS is added, like my main POS is Tiara POS, and now one more POS is added, which is Tiara POS Rajasthan, and I'm creating one more POS, so I'm clicking on this add new again, and like my one POS is located in Punjab, so I'm adding Tiara POS Punjab. Carry forward amount is like 2000 rupees. Address is like Punjab, and email address is like tiarapunjab at gmail.com. And after that you can add phone number, like I'm just putting some dummy, and contact person ID is like Mr. XYZ. I'm just putting an example. After that I'm selecting the country, and state is Punjab, and my city, the POS is located in Amritsar, and after that I'm just creating it. So here you can see one more POS is added, which is Tiara POS Punjab. After creating multiple POS, we need to map it with the users. So I'm going on this application user, and after that I'm clicking on this users. Here you can see the username. Mine is Anupama. You can create new users by clicking on this create new button, but I'm not creating new users. I'm clicking on this POS users. Here you can see two tabs, like add POS and delete POS. So Anupama have access to Tiara POS, but now I'm adding two new POS. So I'm clicking on this add button. Here you can see two new POS, which is Tiara POS Rajasthan and Tiara POS Punjab. So I'm selecting these two because I want to add it with the user. So I'm clicking on this add button. Here you can see username Anupama, and the POS are added like Tiara POS Rajasthan and Punjab. So after that I'm going on this main navigation. Here you can see the card with the Tiara POS. You can change now, like if I want to search my other POS. Here you can see Tiara POS Rajasthan, Tiara POS Punjab. You can select it from here. I'm clicking on this sign, So you can see your three POS are highlighted here, like Tiara POS located in Manali, and Tiara POS Rajasthan, which is located at Jaipur, and Punjab located at Amritsar. So let's see how we can cut the bill from different POS. So I'm selecting this Tiara POS Rajasthan. Here you can see Tiara POS Rajasthan is highlighted, like in the previous video we seen Tiara POS only. So this is how your POS can be changed. Let's cut one bill for the Tiara POS Rajasthan, like I want to sell watch. But here you can see the watch is not highlighting like in the previous bill we cut. So this software contains of cool feature. So I want to show you. So go on this setting button and click on this product and on this item. I was selecting the digital watch, so it's not highlighting. So I'm clicking on this added detail. If all the three POS wants to sell the same product on the same price, so you can click on this globally billable item. So it can be sell in all of these POS you have created. So click on this go next step and again go to the main navigation. And now you can see Tiara POS Rajasthan is highlighting instead of Tiara POS. So I'm clicking on this and now I want to cut a bill for a watch, and here you can see Fastrack digital watch is highlighting now. But I want to sell the same watch but in different price, so I'm going to click on this setting button and I'm opening a new tab here. And here again I'm creating one item and I'm clicking on this add new. And now my store name is Tiara POS Rajasthan. Here you can see it's highlighted, and item name is again black watch, and brand is again Fastrack, and its packing is in box, and units in pieces, and unit quantity is like 1, and item type ID for it is for sale. And now I'm going to put some different price, like I want to sell this watch in 7,000 rupees, and code is just a dummy code. And after that I'm clicking on this next button. Minimum stock is 10 and maximum is 20, and my present stock is in my shop there is 40 Fastracks, 40 Fastrack watches. So cost price is like 7,000 rupees, and I'm going on the next step, and its retail price is like suppose 6,900 rupees, and its wholesale price is 6,500 rupees. So I'm adding the item. Now I'm uploading a picture of the watch, so I'm selecting the watch and uploading. The image is added. Now I'm going back to the page, and I want to sell a watch I've created. Here you can see Fastrack digital watch, MRP is 5,000 rupees, and the item I've created just now is of rupees 7,000 rupees. This one is globally billable, and I've just created this Fastrack having different price, so I'm selecting this. And after that I want to sell 2 Fastrack watches, and I'm clicking on this add new. Here you can see the item is added having price 6,900 rupees, which is its retail price. So I'm clicking on this bill. Here you can see the bill format, and I don't want to print it, so I'm just cutting the bill. So I'm clicking on this 0, and here you can see the payment denominations too. So this is how the multiple POS works. You can cut the bill for your another store too. Again, you can go on the main navigation and select here, or here you can see the 3 POS are being highlighted. You can cut the bill for Tiara POS or Rajasthan or Punjab. So this is how multiple store works. Today we see so many cool features of this billing section again. We can use multiple stores, and you can use same product for like globally billable for each and every POS, and you can create same product having different prices for the different POS. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about more cool features of bill setting, how bill setting can be done. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.